Lose 2,500 calories in a day without exercise? Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to explore a unique challenge, losing 2,500 calories in a day without exercising. Sounds too good to be true? Stick around to find out how it can be done. But first, if you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Let's dive in. Before we get started, I want to make it clear that this method is not a long-term solution for weight loss. It's essential to combine healthy eating habits with regular exercise for lasting results. This video is meant to be a fun challenge and not a substitute for a balanced lifestyle. Intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting. For this challenge, you'll want to follow a 16-to-8 method. That means you'll fast for 16 hours and eat within an 8-hour window. This approach will help you consume fewer calories during the day and burn more calories while fasting. 2. Drink more water. Staying hydrated is essential for overall health, and it can also help you lose weight. Drinking water before meals can reduce your appetite, helping you consume fewer calories. Plus, your body burns calories while processing water, so make sure to drink at least 8 glasses per day. Eat fiber-rich foods. Foods high in fiber can help you feel fuller for longer, preventing you from overeating. Incorporate whole grains, legumes, fruits, and vegetables into your meals. This will help you cut down on your calorie intake and aid in digestion. Choose lean proteins. Protein is essential for weight loss because it keeps you feeling satisfied and helps build muscle. Opt for lean protein sources like chicken, turkey, fish, beans, and tofu. These choices are lower in calories and fat compared to other protein sources. Cut down on added sugars. Sugary foods and drinks can lead to weight gain and wreak havoc on your blood sugar levels. Limit your intake of sodas, candies, and processed foods with added sugars. Instead, enjoy natural sugar sources like fruits for a healthier option. Eat mindfully. Pay attention to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Slow down, savor each bite, and listen to your body. Eating mindfully can prevent overeating and help you consume fewer calories throughout the day. Get enough sleep. A good night's sleep is crucial for weight loss. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night. When you're well rested, your body can better regulate appetite and metabolism, helping you shed those extra calories. Manage stress. Chronic stress can lead to overeating and weight gain. Incorporate stress-reducing activities into your day, such as deep breathing, yoga, or meditation. By managing stress, you'll be less likely to turn to food for comfort. Stand and walk more. Even if you're not exercising, try to increase your daily movement. Take breaks from sitting to stand or walk around. Simple activities like this can help you burn more calories without intense exercise. Track your progress. Keeping a food diary or using a calorie tracking app can be incredibly helpful in monitoring your daily calorie intake. By tracking your progress, you'll be more aware of the choices you make and stay accountable to your goals. Remember, consistency is key. So there you have it, folks. Our 20-minute guide to losing 2,500 calories in a day without exercise. Keep in mind that these tips are not a one-size-fits-all solution or a long-term weight loss plan. They're simply a fun challenge and a way to kickstart a healthier lifestyle. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet or exercise routine. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Leave a comment below to let me know what other weight loss challenges you'd like me to tackle. And, as always, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any future content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.